Welcome to Flexi Post Grid, a powerful WordPress plugin that helps you create beautiful, customizable post grids for your website using Elementor. In just a few minutes, you can display blog posts, WooCommerce products, events, and custom post types in stunning grid layouts. Installing Flexi Post Grid is simple. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for Flexi Post Grid, install, and activate the plugin. Now open any page with Elementor and drag the Flexi Post Grid widget onto your page. Instantly, you'll see your posts displayed in a clean and modern grid layout. Flexi Post Grid comes with multiple grid styles. You can quickly switch between layouts to match your website design. You can control exactly what content appears in your grid, choose post type, filter categories, and control how many posts appear. Flexi Post Grid includes multiple pagination options like Classic Pagination, Load More button, and Infinite Scroll. Add filters, sliders, hover animations, and fully responsive layouts to create engaging content displays for your visitors. Flexi Post Grid also supports WooCommerce product grids with wishlist, ratings, and customizable buttons. Start building beautiful post grids today with Flexi Post Grid. Download the plugin from WordPress.org or visit our website to unlock pro features.